Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: valid passport, unlocked phone or eSIM-capable device, and a short plan budget. Next, choose between prepaid SIM, pocket Wi-Fi, or local eSIM. Each fits different stays. Once chosen, purchase at the airport kiosk, convenience store, or pre-book online. This speeds setup. Now insert the SIM or download the eSIM profile, power on, and open settings to verify cellular data is active. Make sure to note APN instructions if required. You now perform the detailed configuration. For physical SIM, follow APN steps in settings exactly. For eSIM, scan the QR code and install the profile. Once done, enable data roaming only if your plan requires it, and turn off automatic app updates to conserve allowance. Test connectivity by loading a web page and opening a mapping app to confirm GPS data. If speed is slow, switch mobile network mode between LTE and 4G, and keep the carrier support number handy. You finish by verifying your plan details: billing period, data cap, and how to top up or extend service. Once set, use free Wi-Fi for large downloads and tether other devices to pocket Wi-Fi to avoid extra charges. If something fails, first reboot the device, recheck APN or eSIM profile settings, and reinsert the SIM. Simple fixes often restore service. If not, contact carrier support with your purchase receipt and device model. They can push configuration updates or replace faulty SIMs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.